10 reasons why you must eat mangoes. Number 1. Mangoes helps in cleansing skin. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A. As per a German study, these carotenoids can help enrich skin health. Number 2. Mangoes may promote brain health. Mangoes contain vitamin B6, which may promote brain health. Some research shows that vitamin B6 deficiency could increase the risk of depression and seizures. Hence, mangoes can work as a mood enhancer and provide an energy boost. Number 3. Mangoes may reduce the risk of heart diseases. Including mangoes in a balanced diet could help reduce body fat and control blood sugar levels. This fruit offers potassium and magnesium that may reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Mangoes may support eye health. The vitamins and beta-carotene in mangoes may help boost eye health. The human eye has two major carotenoids, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which are found in mangoes. Number 5. Mangoes may help treat diabetes. A study of 20 obese adults showed that the consumption of half a fresh mango for 12 weeks results in lowered blood glucose levels. Number 6. Mangoes can aid in weight loss. A study had emphasized the importance of the mango peel in inhibiting the formation of fat cells. Mangoes contain fiber and may potentially help with weight management. Number 7. Mangoes may promote liver health. Some anecdotal evidence suggests that unripe mangoes may help in treating liver disorders. However, research is very limited to prove this claim. Number 8. Mangoes may improve hair health. Mangoes are a rich source of vitamins that may improve hair health, which activate the hair follicles. This, in turn, may improve the sebum production and promote scalp health. Number 9. Mangoes may improve digestive health. Mangoes contain digestive enzymes like amylases. These break down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. This may help improve the digestive process. Number 10. Mangoes may improve immunity. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C, both of which helps enhance the immune system.